In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide my real name on PayPal. We're going to use PayPal's privacy controls to make your account harder to find, especially by your real name. This doesn't change the legal name on your account, but it does limit how people can look you up. Start by opening PayPal in your browser and sign in so you're on your account overview. Take a moment to confirm you're on the official PayPal site and that the connection is secure. Next, head to your account settings. Look for the gear icon, usually in the top right corner, and open the settings page. From there, go to the data and privacy section. This is where PayPal groups the tools that control how your information is shared and discovered. If the layout looks a little different for you, don't worry. Regions and updates can shift menu labels slightly, but the data and privacy area should be available. Inside data and privacy, find and select search privacy. This section controls whether other people can find your PayPal profile through different types of searches. It's a key place to reduce how visible your real name is to the public. Open the option labeled By Name. This covers searches using the name tied to your account. Here, you can review the settings that decide if your profile appears when someone searches by your name. Adjusting these options helps keep your real name from showing up in PayPal's search results. Then move to By Username. Your username can also be used to find your profile, so this area lets you review how discoverable you are through that handle. If you prefer to keep a low profile, make sure the settings here reflect that. Finally, select by phone and email. People can try to look you up using contact details they already have. In this section, check the controls for phone number and email address visibility in search. Tightening these settings reduces the chances of someone connecting your contact info to your PayPal profile. Once you've reviewed each area, you've effectively minimized how easily your real name can be found via PayPal search. A quick reminder, these controls limit discoverability. In some transactions like invoices, disputes, or regulated payments, PayPal may still display the required legal details. That's normal and part of compliance. Also, interfaces can change over time, so revisit these settings occasionally to ensure they still match your preferences. That's it. You've used PayPal's search privacy controls by name, by username, and by phone and email to help keep your real name out of public searches and maintain a more private profile.